Are you looking to archive a reel you've shared from your activity by date on Instagram on your PC? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has recently introduced a new update that allows you to easily do just that. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to archive your reels by date on Instagram on your PC. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, look for the More icon, or the three dots, at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access more options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that appears. This will take you to a new page where you can view all of your activity on Instagram. From here, navigate to the Photos and Videos section, and then to the Reels section. Here, you'll be able to see all of the reels you have shared on your account. To make it easier to find the reel you want to archive, click on Sort and Filter. Now, input the start date and the end date for the period of the reel you want to archive. This will help narrow down your search and make it easier to find the specific reel you're looking for. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply. Next, click on Select to choose the reel you want to archive. You'll see a list of all the reels that match your search criteria. Simply click on the reel you want to archive. Click on Archive and confirm the action. This will move the selected reel to your archived items, making it easy to access or restore in the future if needed. And there you have it. That's how you can easily archive a reel you've shared from your activity by date on Instagram on your PC. With these simple steps, you can keep your account organized and easily find the content you're looking for. Give it a try and let us know how it goes.